What are you looking at?
What? Welcome to Dino Garden. Dino Park. Hold on. Welcome to Dinosaur Park. Dino Park. Iba-ibang klaseng dinosaurs. This is a very nice place na pasyalan para sa mga families with kids. Malapit lang to. Located to sa Sabil Park. May separate gate siya. Diyan na rin mag-purchase ng ticket. Or you can do it online. 70 dirhams ang entrance fee. At ma-access mo na yung Dubai Garden Glow at saka Dinosaur Park. Meron ka ding option to add additional 40 dirhams para sa Magic Park. So, bale, 110 dirhams ang ticket per person. Entrance fee na yon sa tatlong theme parks. Makikita dito ang iba't ibang replicas ng dinosaurs with movements and sounds. Kaya for sure, mag-e-enjoy ang mga bagets dito. Lalo na kung mahilig sila sa dinosaurs. Napakarami lang talagang lamok, kaya siguraduhin maglagay ng mosquito repellent lotion at magbaon na rin para sure. On the way to the Dino Park ay may mga stalls, food stalls, tsaka mga souvenir shops. By the way, free nga palang entrance ng 3 years old and below. Walang free parking, 10 dirhams ang parking fee for the whole day. Pwede din namang mag-metro pero napakalayong lakarin. Tara, pasok na tayo sa Dino Park. You cannot touch the egg, anak.
I can go to the playground.
See? Andrew, look.
I can go to the playground. Please, I can go to the playground.
Tingnan mo, Andrew, look, oh, yung kabila, oh. Tingnan mo. Kinagat niya yung head, oh. Tingnan mo, look.
Kinagat yung head.
Oh my goodness. Hala.
Gusto mo pumasok yan? Kakbit niyo.
No!
Oh my God.
No!
Dinosaurs here, Andrew.
Do.
Oh my God. What's your name?
Let's do.
Kala mo nababasa? Uy, no.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to the playground.
He's looking for you. This one.
No. A playground. A playground, please. Playground.
Andrew, gumagalaw. Hello.
I need to hold.
Don't hold. Baka kagatin ka niya.
Huwag mo lang hawakan. Tignan mo yung head niya.
Tingnan mo to, Andrew. Look.
Tignan mo yung head.
What's this? Isanosaurus.
Dinosaur.
Hi, dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Hi. It's not scary.
That's scary.
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
This is the dinosaur. This is the dinosaur.
So much fun. Tingnan mo na lang tong mga dinosaurs dito. Look. There's a baby dinosaur.
Ay, gumagalaw pala oh.
Gumagalaw pala siya. May baby siya sa baba, oh. Look.
Sige, may kuryente dyan. Electricity. Sige.
I want to go to the...
Snake.
Wala, andan pala yung ang laki pala nitong dinosaur dito sa kabila. Andrew, look.
I want to go to the playground.
Playground is closed, Andrew.
Wait! I want to go. I want to go to the playground.
Yung tail yan.
Daksanas yan. Ay, gumagalaw din yung tail, Andrew. Oh no.
Go to the little playground.
Ay, ang dami pa dito, Andrew. There are lots of dinosaurs in here. See?
I want to go to the playground.
Huwag kang papasok dyan. Sige ka.
Kuryente dyan.
I want to go to the...
Yung stick dyan, mahahama pa.
Look. Wait for it. See?
Here, mommy. Let's go, mommy.
See you later, dinosaur. What's its name? Para so mahaba. Kaya pronounce. Favorite of Kuya JK. Come on, let's go. Let's see. Take a picture, Andrew, with the Triceratops.
What's this?
What's next?
What's the name of this one?
What kind of dinosaur?
Stegosaurus.
Oh, gumagalaw pala siya.
Mommy, it's scary.
It's scary.
Andrew, I'm scared.
Dinosaur.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Ano, gumagalaw din, Andrew.
Tingin. May sensor yata sila eh.
Andrew.
No. We got one 10.
Fingers niya.
There's just another one. One more.
There's so many.
So many small dinosaurs, Andrew. Look. Look, gumagalaw sila.
Ano papunta na sa'yo? Doon ka, tingnan mo yung daliri mo. Tingnan mo yung kamay mo. Tingnan mo.
Di. Let's go. Oh, dali na. Ikot, 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 ikot.
On the playground. I'm gonna go to the playground on like that.
Hi.
Cheese.
Chi. Dinosaur eggs inside. See? Kunyari may lab.
Ano, dinosaur kami.
I
Ayun,
cannot
may egg.
see. I see the egg.
Here, here.
See.
Mm.
Missing.
Oh my God.
Hold it.
Oh, katakot oh. Look.
Hold it.
Hala, ayan na.
Hold it.
Naku, makukulong ka dyan, oh. Pumunta ka sa loob. We are at the end of the Dino Park. We're entering the Garden Glow now. See you in the next video.
What are you looking?
What?
Playground.
What's in your pocket?
Money.
Do you have money?
Hindi pwede dyan, may harang nga eh.
I have to go.
Tawagin ko nga yung guard.
Welcome to Dino Garden. Dino Park.